First up today we have an EasyJet A320neo landing. Next up we actually have another EasyJet plane, this time it is an Airbus A319. Can't wait for the next landing, might be a bit smoother. We have an A380 Airbus from Emirates Airways. I don't believe it, next up we have a fighter jet, I'm not sure which type. There is a lot less crosswind now. Next up is a Boeing 737 operated by Air New Zealand. The British Airways Queen of the Skies is next to land. Another Emirates A380 is landing now. Whoa, there is some grass on the runway, he's going to have to do a turnaround. And last but not least, we have an EasyJet A320 taking off. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.